Okay, guys, so this is like kind of like a review, but not necessarily. This is showing how fast this rifle can shoot. Um, it shoots these little tiny metal BBs. This gun shoots up to 50 miles per hour, so I'm gonna shoot that stop sign over there. You can hardly see it, but it's behind that tree. I'm gonna put it like on the stop sign so you can hear it when it hits. But it doesn't take that long for it to shoot. Like, it takes like a second or 2 seconds to fly all the way over there. The last time when I shot it, it hit the stop sign and bounced off the wall. So I'm just gonna put it over there and you guys can see how fast it shoots. There we go. Okay, well, I'm pretty sure you guys heard the bullet hit the stop sign. That was pretty loud. So, yeah, well, that's pretty much it. So, peace.